All right, quick story. This customer has pocket doors throughout their home, mid-century 50s, basically late 40s. And the first pocket door right next to the front door hasn't worked since they've had the house. And, you know, they initially called me to tear open the wall and either replace the whole pocket door unit, or what was more preferable, basically finish it out like just a regular swing door. After looking at all the different doors in the house, what I've decided made the most sense was to get this door to work right. What came off the door was pocket door hardware like this, but this actually didn't work. The wheels were too small, and every time they'd move the door, it was both rough as well as it would just come off the track very easily. I ended up pulling the door a second time, and that meant pulling the door stop on the top and the side, taking the door out. Once I did that, I looked in the back and I could see these rollers. I didn't see any hardware, but I just saw the rollers, and at first I thought they were, you know, like furniture pads or something that were preventing or making the door jump the track. But what I ended up finding out was that they were actually an original piece of the hardware. And the original hardware is Fine Lines or Prime Lines product number N6620. And we ordered those. I put them in, and it's just amazing how much smoother this door is. The wheels take up almost the full track, so it can't jump. They're much smoother, and I mean, it's not an expensive fix. So, you know, for the cost of 2 roller wheels and me stopping by and putting them in, you know, they avoided having to buy a pre-hung door, reinstall it, case it, have it not match the rest of the home, create a swing problem. Because remember, the pocket door doesn't block any space when it's open. If they would have changed the door, it would have been hinged right here, and it would have swung, and it would have been left open most of the time, blocking this cabinet. So anyway, if you are tenacious enough, you can find the answer.